because so many of us go into work every day and we play whack-a-mole. This is it. You know what? Okay, what problems is going to hit us today? And then we solve those problems and we go home exhausted, and we've done nothing to move our business in the right direction other than, fix whatever challenges it had. And that's, when we talk about path of least resistance for salespeople, it can also be a path of least resistance for leaders, in that we get into firefighting mode. We like to be the hero. It feels good. But the reality is, we think about creating enterprise value. We're not going to be able to create enterprise value if we're going to sell it to somebody and say, okay, here's how you run this business. Every day you come in with your head on fire, and everyone comes in and says, hey, do you have a minute? Do you have a minute? Did you hear what so-and-so did? Oh my gosh, this, that, and the other thing. We're not getting this, we're, that. And then you go home and you come back and you do it all over again. Like, how excited is someone going to be to buy that business? However, if, what I do now is implement the Pinnacle operating system. So now you have a binder like you had, and you say, okay, this is how we run our business. This is how we manage our teams. This is how we set goals. Here are our 3 to 5 year vision. Here's our pinnacle. Here's where we're going ultimately. And it allows you to keep the main thing, which is, the ultimate goal that we all should have in life, is to keep that main thing the main thing, because otherwise we get distracted and we look up and we're like, oh my gosh, what just happened to the last decade? Oh, I was focused on something other than what really mattered. Maybe it's my family or, something like that. And so that's the beauty of an operating system is to help us keep focused, keep prioritized, and create that personal freedom, peace of mind. You want to be able to leave. That's another challenge that we have. One of my neighbors, she's a dentist, and when she's not in her business, she's not earning any money. Like, she can't even have people cleaning teeth because the hygienist can't clean teeth, because the dentist needs to be there as oversight. So that's, the legal nature of that relationship. So she went away. We went on spring break. We went down to Hilton Head. She went away. One of her hygienists went to work for another dentist because she couldn't take the week off. And that other dentist hired her out from underneath my friend, which obviously that's an awful situation. But ultimately, when you have a practice like that, that's the nature of the beast. So